Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm opening up my own fidget stand. I'm so excited for the new customers, and I decorated it all Halloween. I added new stuff, added new poppets, added new fidgets, and right now here's our wall. First we have this black kitty. Next we have a pumpkin, and it says, "Don't just wish for it, work for it." And then we have this one, "Happy Halloween, one more day, you got this. I know you do." And then we got two pumpkins just chilling up here. And then my little kitty lightning. Then while you open it, this is for the customers. So when there's a Karen, I'm just going to throw these poppers at them. And it's just a secret stash. You can kind of see it from a distance, but not really. And then my followers going up. There's two of them. I'm gonna get that sorted out later, but yeah. Happy Halloween. Lights, my own custom pumpkin, more pumpkins that I made, a cat, and this beautiful drawing that I made myself. More lights. Well, let's open up to the customer. I think I really like it. So here's how my fidget stand looks like. First is this box, some marble and meshes, a locker. I'll show y'all that later. Some pumpkins, like I said, I decorated it for Halloween. I forgot what these are called, but there are $4 each. I got some monkey noodles, and I got like marker there, so I just put a heart, and it looks better. More like I don't know, some pictures. Some Halloween goodies, some crystals or diamonds. First I got this cute little pig, and I got this diamond kitty. It's not a diamond, but you get the point. And this crystal, it's so cute, it's so small. And then it says the price on both of them, so yeah, I know the price. Let me put this little pig back. And then a cat bag and a cat bracelet or scrunchie. Two pumpkins. This marble and mash Halloween marble and mash. Two pumpkins bracelets for $2, and a gift card, gift card, and some free pencils for the support, and a balloon. Now let's just wait for a customer. I guess we'll just wait here. Oh, by the way, I have some stickers. This dolphin, and then my list of people. But before I get into, oh, that's my new alarm. Hello? How may I help you?
I would like to get some poppets.
Some poppets. Okay. By the way, guys, I'm sorry I haven't been posting. I haven't posted for like 4 months, and I'm really sorry, or 2 months, and I just want to say I'm sorry because I got so worked up. I was so busy with school, and I didn't think about the YouTube because I haven't been busy on TikTok either. My fidget account is dead. No one likes it anymore, and I'm losing lots of followers. And every time I post, I get lower views and lower likes. So I just want to say I'm sorry, and if you see this video, go follow my fidget account. I will be posting it. I will be posting a video where you can go get it or look at it, and then I think it will also be in the link if I figure out how to do that. And if it's not on the link, and if you have TikTok, it would really help me out to go follow, and I will follow you back and like all 10 of your videos. But first you gotta give me your TikTok account. Maybe DM me, and I'm just gonna wait a little bit so I know you're not really like trying to scam me. And if you unfollow me, I will unlike all your videos that I did, because I really don't like getting scammed. It's just like horrible. I was scammed on TikTok for likes and stuff. So if that happens, I will unfollow you and unlike all your videos that I previous liked. Well, thank y'all, and I have to go get to my customer. They're banging on the door. Yeah. Oh, by the way, customer, Here it has all the information. We have a 20% off Halloween sale, some notes. This is a note where you can go get free fidgets and enter a contest, and then some just slime. So how may I help you today?
Do you have any like pink poppets?
Is it someone's birthday?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I know exactly to get them. Would you like to get them? These are my bags. Would you like to get them happy birthday or that beautiful glittery one?
Happy birthday.
Of course. Hold on, let me just get all this stuff out of it. Sorry, we're all stocked out of birthday ones. That one was previous. They ordered it online, and I just realized that. But I'll get you this big, sparkly, pretty, glittery one. It's so glittery, and it has a note you can write it on.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Nice. Yeah.
Okay, let me take all of this out, and I'll put that right here. Okay, what would you like again? My bad. Any pink poppets? Any?
Yeah, any pink poppets. And I would like to buy both of these.
They're each $4. Okay, real quick. We just got crystals in the store, kind of. You gotta be really gentle. Would you like to see them?
Yes.
First, we got a cute pink piggy, $1.95. And next, we got a cute little kitty for $1. It's from Chinese or Japanese. And next, we got this pretty, really not turquoise, really shimmery rainbow clear diamond. Which one would you like?
This is the only one I got.
You want to get her this one?
It's already hers.
Okay.
So I'll go put it up.
So what other one would you like? You can get
The cat one. She loves cats.
The cat one, is that it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say she could get another animal so she could play.
Oh, this is $1? Nice.
This is yeah, this is $1.
That's cheap.
But I'm not gonna put it in the bag. I'm gonna give it to you separately. Oh, here's my water cause I'm thirsty on my job. And we're gonna leave this here and I'll give it to you after cause we gotta be really gentle. So, by the way, here we got each for $1 if you would like to pick some out.
Do you have any Rubik's Cubes also? Rubik's Cubes?
Yes, a lot. We have pea poppers in there too.
She loves all of these colors.
Is that it? They're each for $1. You're up to $4.
Yes.
Even the pea poppers are $1. Actually, the pea poppers are $2. Next one. Glad I could get those out of my fidget shop. I've been trying to get rid of those for a long time. So Rubik's Cubes, right?
Yes.
They're usually in this squishy after. Are they? No. Those are not the squishies. These are the squishies. So, which one would you like?
I would like this, cause she loves this. She's been wanting to get a globe, and it's a she, by the way.
Oh, she likes cats, by the way. Here's a cat donut.
Yes, she loves cats.
Let me see. Just one of these. There's baby ones.
I would like to get a.
Oh, you want that?
She's been wanting to get a Rubik's Cube
collection.
So I'm gonna get all of them.
Anything else? Don't knock any glass over, by the way. This one, my favorite. Is she into football or is she just like sports?
Basketball. She watches it all the time.
Is that it?
One more thing.
I knew you were gonna pick that. Is that it?
Yeah, but now I need to shop for some poppets.
Of course. Guys, I'm gonna show him some poppets. I'm gonna lay them out and I'm gonna tell
And
him
by the
which one
way,
he would like.
Her name is Belle. You can type that in right here.
Belle?
Yeah, Belle.
I thought it was gonna be an Emma. You can pop those. Actually, never mind. I'm sorry. Belle's typed in. I'm gonna go get her a happy birthday card. Okay. I'm sorry, we ran out of birthday cards. This is gonna be the worst birthday. I'm sorry, but we're giving her a happy Halloween.
Yes, of course.
Happy Halloween card. That will actually come separate because the cards get bent up a lot. Anything? Oh, pink cards.
And yellow.
Yellow.
A yellow pineapple pop and a duck one.
Ew, this one's nice. What is this one? Okay. A regular yellow.
Yes.
The pops are really good. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, she will like this one. Those poppets are holding up like this. A purple or / pink telephone. It actually works. It's a real phone. So that will be like $200.
Dang. Why is it so expensive?
They're really rare. They're basically out of stores. Here, you want to look it up on the fidget phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we don't like to scam here, and you can look if it's not a scam.
Oh, it's true.
Would you like to buy or would you like to give it up?
Buy it.
Wait, is purple and pink her favorite colors?
Yeah, and some others. She has a lot of favorite colors.
Oh, I forgot in yellow. By the way, this is a free bracelet since it's her birthday. Purple and pink, her favorite colors.
Yes.
So that's nice. Let me just put these. Also, please be gentle with the bracelets. They could break really easily. You're still looking for poppets?
Yeah.
And let me move this up. This one's always falling. That looks good. Would you also like to get that one?
Yes.
Okay, let me see it. Anything else? Still poppets?
Yeah.
I think she'll like this multicolored one. Sir?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to take that.
No, I'll fix it. Fix.
Sir, you can't get this one anymore.
Oh, can I get another one?
No, I'm sorry. These, you gotta be really gentle with these. You wanna know, or you want an example?
Yes.
Broke.
Dang.
This one
But
broke.
I fixed it.
And this pink one isn't broke. No. It doesn't have a slot.
What? Only ones that have a slot?
Yeah, but a professional has to come. They have to get it because it's really expensive.
And professionals are expensive.
Would she also like to get this foam pen?
Yes.
Coming separately. Anything else? Sir, you're knocking over all my... That's a decoration. That's a display. And you can get a free...
This?
Okay, yeah, that's not up for display. That's $6. But also, a free pencil. You can get anyone. You can also get this one since it's her birthday. You can get one or two. One or two. Oh, I have to do that separately. I was gonna tell you, would she like this one?
Wait, what was this? Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. My spooky's 10 days until Halloween.
Nice.
So that would be a countdown. You can sit back down. Guys, sorry for the background. All his cars are there. So what else would you like?
Why are you laughing?
for no reason. What else would you like? What else would you like?
More puppets. That's what I want.
You can't look.
Fine.
This is a go customer. Be careful, don't smush my drawings or you're gonna be kicked out and I'm gonna throw away all the fidgets.
A pumpkin puppet or a duck.
I don't have a pumpkin puppet, but I do have a duck.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's so dark. Almost got it, almost got it. Ah! Ooh, this one.
Oh.
I think you would. Sir?
And I would like an avocado squishy. Yes.
You didn't even get it tested out.
Avocado. May I please have an avocado squishy also?
Yes. Boy, don't. Stop. You're gonna be kicked out.
Oh.
Ah.
Karma.
Okay, avocado squishy in. Is that it?
Let me check. Oh. One more thing. Actually, 3 more.
Okay.
I would like 2 puppets. Just pick them for me, and then I would like the a pineapple squishy.
Out of curiosity, is she gay? Okay.
Yes.
No, I know she's not. Would she like a shoe?
Yes.
2 more.
Randomize 2 puppets and get a pineapple squishy.
You could get this big one. Karma. And this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That would be your total is $200. I mean, $450.
This store is expensive.
Well, you got the fidget foam, so it comes. A free Halloween goodie.
I would like all of them.
Oh my god.
No, I would only like the green one.
For yourself?
Wait, no.
Asking. Oh my god. You can only get 2. Sir, oh my god. Sir, don't throw that at me.
Karma.
You're done. Get out of my store. Take your crap and go. You don't get your other stuff.
Let's see what I get.
That was for yourself?
No, I'm looking at what she get. I was lying. I'm just kidding. Let's
Get
see
out
what
my
she
store.
got.
Get out! This is gonna take forever to clean up. I kicked him out of my store. Flashback. Second flashback when he tried to get in.
Oh no!
You doing the what? Crazy customers these days.
Liberty!
Get alive.
No!
Get alive, sir. I don't want to go through that again. He's still banging on the door. Whoa, that's it. I'm never gonna let a customer in my shop again. And come back for part 2. Bye guys. Please follow me.